In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a page into a template in Notion. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure you have consistent, efficient processes in place. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you have a clear understanding of each action we'll take together. So, let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the Notion homepage. This is your launchpad, where you'll be orchestrating all the magic needed to organize and customize your workspace precisely how you want it. Once you're on the homepage, the first order of business is logging into your account. Look for the Login button and click it. This step is pretty straightforward and necessary to set the stage for customizing your Notion experience to suit your needs. After clicking Login, you'll see the option to continue with Google. This is a nifty choice for those of you who appreciate the convenience of logging in with your Google account, allowing for a seamless integration into your existing workflow. Once you've chosen to continue with Google, you'll be greeted by a list of your Google accounts. Simply click on the account you wish to use with Notion. By doing this, you're creating a direct bridge between your Google services and Notion, making interactions between them smooth and effortless. Now that you've navigated through the login process, it's time to move on to the next stage. Head over to the specific Notion page you wish to transform into a template. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. This is where the template options reside. It's like discovering a treasure trove, where Notion provides you the ability to perform a bit of magic and transform your page. By clicking on Templates, you'll see an impressive variety of template options available. This gallery is rich with pre-designed templates, offering a world of possibilities for creativity and organization. Browse through these options to find a template that resonates with you or fits your project perfectly. When you find one that you like, it's time to bring it into your workspace. Click on Add to my workspace to integrate this template into your Notion environment. This is a crucial step as it indicates you're ready to tailor this template to your specific needs. Following this, Notion will prompt you to select which workspace you'd like to add your new template to. Choose the workspace where this template will most effectively aid in your organization. Here, your selected template becomes a part of your workspace, ready for you to customize further and use however you see fit. And just like that, you've successfully managed to turn a page into a template in Notion. Now equipped with your new template, you're all set to embark on your journey toward a more organized and effective workflow. Remember, templates in Notion are valuable not just for appearances, but for structuring your work to enhance productivity and creativity. Don't hesitate to experiment with different templates until you find exactly what works best for your ideas and projects. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and here's to organizing your workspace in Notion with ease and a bit of creativity.